Hi, this is Dr. Spiro Karas at the Advanced Center for Oral Surgery and Dental Implants. And today I'm going to show you how to make these face shields for your ear loop masks. Oh, wait a minute. This is Tanya. She's going to be helping us out today. The materials that we'll need for this include clear presentation covers. These are the ones that I bought from Amazon, and I'll post a link in the description. We'll need some surface sanitizer. Cavi wipes is what we're using to clean the area where we're working. You'll need a Sharpie, a pair of scissors and a stapler, your favorite ear loop mask, and the template that you'll use to cut out the face shields. There is a link for the template posted in the description. First thing that you'll want to do is trace a single face shield from the template and then cut that one out from the presentation material. Once you have the first one, then the easiest way to do this is to place that on the next sheet of presentation material and then trace that along the outline. This is a lot quicker than trying to trace it from the paper, and it can move along pretty nicely. Once you've made a couple of these, then you can have two or more assistants trace these out and then cut them. To attach it to the mask, you'll want to place it so that the lower portion of the shield is about halfway down the mask, and then we're going to attach it with two staples on each side. The next thing we'll want to do is crease the shield on each side so that it wraps around the face. This only requires a mild crease. We don't want to make it fold all the way. And it's completed. This is my lovely assistant, Francesca, and you can see that she's wearing an N95 mask. And we're going to wear the mask with the face shield on top of this. The N95 will offer the maximum protection, and of course the ear loop mask will keep the N95 from getting soiled, and this way we can preserve them and extend their life. You can see that the face shield provides very nice protection against splatter and splashes. If you like this video, please click like and feel free to share it with all of your colleagues. Everybody stay safe.